October 10th card opening. As you can see, our lake is now fairly visible compared to if you went back a couple months where you really can't see it. Most of the leaves are falling down. I just leaf blew our porch, and you can see leaves are just falling down like mad, but it won't be much longer. Anyway, we get the card opening. Pre-rolled. I will tell you, I decided to take Topps Fire and start integrating it into the random box, because I got another card pack that I wanted to open first, which will make its debut today. Anyway, Allen and Ginter. Bryce Harper. Spain, sports writer. Acuna Jr. Andy Ian. Yep. Debbie Garcia. Alejandro Kirk with a golden line Tamron. And the mini is a Deion Sanders. The rookies there. I like the rallying back card idea of people who've come back from the abyss. So I did roll into a fire when I rolled. So. Clayton Kershaw, Evan White, Jacob deGrom, Babadook, Kyle Tucker, Ken Griffey Jr. Looks like the third Babadook I've pulled. Clothes I brought don't have pockets. Of course, I'm trying to figure out where to sit because the wind's enough that I could blow something away if I wanted to. I'll just put these cards here. Put these rookies right here. We got 4 packs to go. And next is Topps Chrome. Chris Davis on the back. Let's see what we have. Anthony Rendon, Dylan Carlson, Tyler Stevenson. 2 good rookies there. Put them in my rookie pile. Put these in my other card pile. Okay, next is our debut. We have a Donruss Optic Yelich. I think this is the second set Yelich has been cover boy. See if you guys can remember the first one. I'll give you a minute, then I'll remind you which one he was also cover boy on. Brandon Lowe. Nick Madrigal, rated rookie. Heston Kjerstad, rated prospect. And we have a Matt Chapman pink velocity of 249. Okay. We have a line, lots of lines on this Kjerstad though. You can see one right above his helmet there. I don't think that's supposed to be there. Pink one looks pretty good. Let's look at the Nick Madrigal. Now a Chicago Cubs, right? Nick Madrigal actually looks pretty good. Anyway. Rookie. We finally, 2 last packs, and it's the same thing. We got some Bowman Chrome rolled into 2 of them. Looks like we have something big in there. We do. Lindor, Freddie Freeman, Starlin Aguilar, Malcolm Nunez, and Gleyber Torres out of 99. Nice looking card. The player has struggled mightily though. Yelich, Kevin Newman, Brendan Davis Summer Camp, Riley Green, Ronnie Charles. Quality control. As far as scratches and lines go, some very hard to see line right there. You really have to look under your microscope to see that. This one looks pretty good. Yelich looks pretty good. Grab the other Bowman Chromes. Bowman, Topps and Panini have had their problems. Glaber looks really good. Freeman looks good. Good. Aguilar looks good. And Frank Lindor looks good. Anyway, that's all. So, Donruss Optic for Yelich, and the other one is Stadium Club, I believe. Anyway, y'all take care.